In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your order history on Shein. If you want to quickly check the status of a recent purchase, review older orders, or see whether something is still being processed or shipped, Shein makes that pretty simple once you know where to look. I'm going to walk you through the process in a clear and easy way so you can find your orders without wasting time. To begin, open the Shein app on your phone. If you're using a computer instead, go to Shein.com in your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account first because your order history is only available from inside your personal account. If you're not signed in yet, go ahead and log in before continuing. Once you're inside the app or website, look for the Me Profile section. In the Shein app, this is usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen in the navigation bar. Tap that icon to open your account area. This section is where Shein keeps your personal account details, settings, and order information, so it's the main place you'll use for tracking purchases. After you open the Me page, find the My Orders section. Under that header, tap View All. This will take you to your full order history, where you can review your purchases in more detail. Inside the orders page, you'll usually see your purchases organized into categories such as unpaid, processing, shipped, and returns. These labels help you quickly understand the current status of each order. Unpaid typically shows orders that were started but not fully completed. Processing means the order has been placed and is being prepared. Shipped shows items that have already been sent out. And returns helps you review items that were sent back or are in the return process. If you've placed multiple orders, browsing by category can save time and make it much easier to find exactly what you're looking for. This is especially useful if you're checking for a delivery update or confirming whether a past purchase went through successfully, and that's all there is to it. Open Shein, go to the Me Profile icon, select View All under My Orders, and then review your purchases by status. It's a quick and convenient way to stay on top of everything you've ordered.